Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just woke up. I was cleaning the lounge. I'm gonna go clean the kitchen and stuff. Then we're fine. I lost the nail, guys. Oh my god, right now while I was cleaning, I lost my nail, which sucks, but you know what it is. So anyway, stay tuned. My lace is all the way lifted. Oh, it bended itself at night. Anyways, my lace was lifted last night, but you know what? That's an issue for another day. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna prep up. And I came back in the AMs, and my friends had planned, my other friends had planned for us to meet at 9 a.m. I don't think that's gonna happen for me. I'm surprised though, my parents aren't giving me stress, so that's good. Anyways, guys, welcome to my video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get into it. After doing the introduction, but I'm not done cleaning and everything. I'm gonna just relax for now. Before the plans were at 9, but I think we're gonna move it to 10 or something, so that's fine. I'm gonna chill, maybe take a bath right now and just wait for whatever happens to happen. I just realized my camera was dirty all along while I was vlogging. I was wondering why I looked so plastic, and no, it's not the lighting. The camera is dirty. Oh my god. Now I'm just looking for my friends in the mall. They said they're at Mr. Price. I'm just doing it now. We're playing bowling and I'm bad at this, so they cheating. I know, sounds like cheating. They close it to funny. It's okay. Oh my god. Oh, what a swag. done with the vlog. It's still kind of early, I know, but like I'm not gonna be vlogging anymore. Just want to rest. I'm tired considering the fact that I barely slept last night, and you know, I've been drinking and stuff, so I'm just gonna like sleep. I've been drinking juice, of course. I bought KFC to bring home, so I'm gonna just have it for supper. They cooked like rice and stuff for us to eat at the KFC, so that's good. I'm just gonna like eat supper. It's currently like my 5 here, so I'm gonna just eat supper and sleep because today drained me. Okay, I'm joking. I wish I had more time to play, but then shops are also starting to close because it's a Sunday. Anyways, guys, thank you so much, so much for watching my video, and love you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because 50% of you guys are not subscribed. Anyways, guys, love you guys so much. See you tomorrow.